Before you invest in new energy-saving windows, consider what type of glass will be most efficient. Argon is a gas used to fill the space between glass panes. Since it's denser than air, it has a higher resistance to heat flow and provides better thermal efficiency. Krypton is another gas manufacturers use. It's a better insulator than argon, and it's more expensive. Are these gases safe? According to the International Association of Certified Home Inspectors, the answer is yes. They pose no health risk at all. Heat-absorbing window glazing uses tints to change the glass color. Tints absorb a portion of solar radiation while reducing glare. Gray and bronze tints reduce the penetration of both light and heat. Blue and green tints allow in more visible light and only slightly reduce heat transfer. Insulated glazing means there's two panes of glass in the window. The panes are spaced apart and hermetically sealed to create an insulating airspace. Tests show double-paned windows offer twice the insulation of single-paned windows. Many manufacturers also add low E coatings to their double-paned windows. This virtually invisible layer of metal or metallic oxide can reduce energy loss by as much as 50%. If you're a do-it-yourselfer, you can buy a low E coating at your local home improvement center and apply to your existing windows. They're inexpensive and can last up to 15 years without peeling. No matter which type of window glass you choose, check the U factor. A low U factor means it's a better insulating window.